Hello, good morning people. Welcome back to Princess Road Trip. Right, today I'm going to be tackling the floor. Just hoovered it so it's all clean. So what I'm going to be doing now is going to fetch the lino from inside the house and carry it out into the van. I had a bit of a palaver this morning because it comes up. Well, I've got was it 3 metre by 3.7 metres by 2 metres, and it came rolled up as like a 2 metre roll. So I was moving the furniture around this morning so I could roll it the other way, so I can come in straight at the length and have the length of the van, so like 3.7, if you get what I mean. But so the lounge is a mess. So anyway, I'll be back in a minute with the lino. Right, there's the roll of lino. So I'm just going to unravel it and take it from there. Too sure how easy this is going to be. I just like the fact it's hard wearing and it's just one big sheet. I did think about having the laminate flooring, but I might, after I've laid this, and I'll probably think I wish I had. Right, that's all rolled out, sort of like just evenly around. So now I can start doing some trimming. Right, what I've done is I've laid it all out so it's all evenly spaced around. So I've just cut around the wheel arch, just taken up little slices and all that, so it's not all the way down to the floor. So I'm just going to go and get something that I can just push down, because with this lino, it's not like any other lino. It's not the soft stuff that you can just push in there. This has got a bit more strength behind it, so I'm going to be taking time on this one. I'll come back to you while doing it. Right, just found some carpet fitting tools bolster, and this just push it in. The thing with this is you really don't want to rush it. So you have to just take it a little bit at a time. So if you take too much off, obviously if I make a mistake on this side, at least I've got the other side that I can just pull over, but I haven't got a lot because of cutting down there. So fingers crossed. Anyway, I did exactly what I said I didn't want to do. Right, so I've cut back a bit too much. So this is a little bit of a nightmare. It's going to take a long time, but I've got a little bit of room there that I can slide it that way. That's so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut off little bits at a time. There's no point in rushing this job. Right, so obviously the first bit I cut just there, when I first showed you, I took too much off. So what I've done next to it, I just cut above, I folded it over and pushed it right down. So then I just cut along the line. But with like this, I could just trim it up afterwards, just sort of like come down with a Stanley knife, just around the ridges. So yeah, it's going to be a long job, but it's got to be done spot on, because obviously if I don't do it right, I'm going to look at it all the time. I just wasted loads of money. So see you shortly. careful with doing this as well, because obviously, as it's quite tough and that with a knife, you can easily slice yourself. That's a big no-no. Done that too many times. So this is quite a handy tool. It's not sharp, but it's got a good blade on there, so you can actually push hard and make a mark on it. So it would be better to use scissors after scoring this. Let's give that a go. That's better. That's definitely better. So if you're thinking about doing floor like this, get some carpet tools like this. I don't know what it's called, but it's, well, an edging tool, I suppose. I find with a bolster, it's too thick. So you need something a bit more of a blade on it. Actually find them. If you keep pressing hard and keep going over it, it actually does cut it. So it is time consuming, but the finished product, you'd appreciate it a lot more because there'll be no gaps. I'm just going down the longer run now. I'm using the bigger bolster just to push down because of the curve of the Lino. So push it back down and I can use the magic tool. Again, still haven't done the walls yet, so doing the floor first, for this you can overlap, if there is any holes, you can overlap it with the ply or whatever you're using for the wall. So I wouldn't worry about too much. That's not too bad. Yeah, couple of mil, like I said. Now when you have the boarding over it, you apply lining, and we'll cover that up anyway. So it's good to put a bit of pressure down on this bit as well, so it's tucking in the corner. I sweat I'm doing this. Yeah, happy with that. So that's around the wheel arch finished. on that side, and down the side up to the side door. Now I'm just going to start on this side. Right, that's the Lino laid. I've still got to do the self-adhesive yet as well, so I've got a couple of spray cans for that. So I want to spray the floor, so I'm doing it in sections. Spray the floor, then spray the back of the Lino, then it'll make good contact. But I'll show you what I've done. So right, it's all gone to plan, it's all gone around. I did have one little mishap, just cutting down here by the side door, but I'm going to put some aluminium angle tread on there anyway, so that'll be hidden, so nobody will know about it apart from you and I. Right, so next stage will be self-adhesive. I just pulled it back so I can access the floor with the spray adhesive. Right, so what I'm using to stick the Lino down, actually I got it from the same company as where I got the flooring from, which was the Flooring King. Gets stuck in contact spray adhesive, so I've got 2 cans of those. So they recommend, the people that I got their Lino from, is that 1 can would be enough to do the area of the floor, then another can would do the underside of the Lino. So hopefully, fingers crossed, this will be enough. Quite looking forward to getting it stuck down actually. So what it says on the back of the can, sorry, I ain't got the microphone today because it's not working. So what they're saying is, you spray on the floor vertically or horizontally, doesn't matter which way you do it, but if you do it the other way on the other surface, so it just gives it even coverage. I'll just say as well to make sure you do extra around the edges. It's quite good actually, it doesn't really smell this stuff. It does a little bit, but it's not enough to make you go high. Is. be careful you don't, when you put it back, is not to rip it. So it can be quite difficult, this. So I just nipped wicks to get some angle, and that for the step as you come in. So I picked up 3 of those, 3 lengths. I think what are they? 41, 23 by 1.5. So I've got 3 of those. So which is going to be enough. So I'll fix them down. Just in the process of doing the back, so it's looking good. So right guys, I want to finish off doing that. Then that's the floor then complete. Which I'm well happy about. And right, I'll think next time, depending on the weather, I want to do the rear door windows. So fingers crossed to see. That might be the next video, or it could be something else, but who knows? It's going to be something anyway. Okay then guys, well, please like and subscribe if you're enjoying the videos, and I shall see you next week. All right, take care. Bye bye.